All right, y'all, we are back in the Profits channel for our daily recap and member shout outs. Let's go ahead and get straight to it. First off, we got Parth's Snatch. Looking at this post, it's a hood gamble. He says if it holds, he's going to make that money today, and that was simulated returns. We'll see an update on that later on. Then we got Apex Sidon right there, 1.29% on the day. We got Josh Puharich with playing hood right there, up 125%. Then we got some SMCI profits from Ambi right there. It says holding a runner. We got I Love Pelosi right there, back at it. That's 7,000 in total return on that MSTR call. Then we got Chris Danny says coin to 200, up 249,000 on the day. Absolutely crazy from Chris Danny. We've seen some wild profits posts from them. So a special congratulations to Chris Danny once again. Then we got that hood update right there from Parth's Snatch. We got I Need Money next up. Says small account started trading early January, up $4,600 right there, 72% just about. Then we got Ekik showing profits on Hive, Hood, Mara, and Mara as well on those two, and a loss on Hut, but overall in the profits. So solid day right there from Ekik. Then we got Davy Crockett tagging Evo right there, up 1.54% on the day. We got Cuddy Kid with the SMCI profits. Parth's Snatch right there with the monthly update, up 214%. Then we got Just Stopping By, always in the profits right here. You can see Blink. That's up 69.69%. We love that number. And then 90% on the other one. Got Hood right there, up 114%. ABBV up 33%, and Google right there up 30%. So another solid day for Just Stopping By. Then we got Davy Crockett up 4.35% for the account. Dick Nuts the Destroyer right there up 47% on the day. Then we got Con up 5.76%. Baron P says SPX paid the bills today. As you can see, an overall total on the day of $2,800 in profits. And last but not least, we got Apex Sidon to close us out, playing Rocket Lab right there for 46%. That's going to do it for our Profits channel recap today, guys. Make sure you click that link in the bio to get started, and we'll see you on the next one.